Good morning. Welcome to your Thursday, February 18th daily operations weather briefing. Currently across the area, we have plenty of rainfall, and this morning, as expected yesterday in the forecast, we did have freezing rain in the local Wallops area. We picked up a little over a tenth of an inch of freezing rain this morning between 6 a.m. and 7:30. Um, that quickly transitioned over to rain as we had temperatures rise into the mid 30s with a nice surge of warm air in the lower 5,000 feet of the atmosphere. Will remain rain throughout the remainder of the day today. However, areas northwest of, say, Salisbury and up into Easton and Cambridge, and then also west of the Chesapeake Bay, will be experiencing freezing precipitation throughout the day today, and also some snowfall as well. So those areas are going to be harder impacted in terms of the winter weather. Here at Wallops is mainly just going to be a soaker for us, as we're going to be seeing rainfall throughout this morning into the afternoon. We'll even see some periods of maybe some heavy rainfall coming here in the next several hours this morning, and then becoming a little bit more light and scattered in nature as we head into the later portions of this afternoon. Again, this is all thanks to an area of low pressure that's forming off to our south. We'll be off the southeast coast and then moving northeastward today, providing us with this blanket coverage of rain showers. This is all in reaction to a deep upper level trough that's digging into the central United States down into the Gulf states, and will begin to progress eastward tomorrow. And then we'll have another area of low pressure actually affecting us tomorrow, moving through our south to our south again, and providing us another chance of precipitation. Then we'll have a cold front that'll finally move through Friday evening into Saturday, giving us some leading to some very nice conditions heading into this weekend for both Saturday and Sunday. So as of 8 a.m. this morning, we did have a broken layer at 1,000 feet, overcast at 4,000 with some light rain in the area. Northeasterly winds at 21 knots, gusting 26 knots with a temperature of 35 degrees. Looking at the radar picture currently across the area, we do have some moderate to heavy rainfall that's just off to our south, and then rain showers a little bit more scattered in nature. Looking at the composite here, those should start to be filling back in, and we'll see some light to moderate rainfall um, through this morning and into the afternoon time frame. Again, we'll see some periods of some heavy rainfall here in the next couple minutes to hour or so, and then more light to moderate throughout the remainder of the day, and then eventually becoming more scattered in nature as we get into the later portions of this afternoon. We wanted to look at just kind of what the models are saying. This is the 12Z run or 7 a.m. run of the HER forecast model. We're looking right now at the 9 a.m. hour. And moving forward, it does want to put out a little bit more of a heavier precip here in the next hour or so. It is also trying to put out some freezing rain. That's not going to happen, as temperatures are expected to remain in the mid to upper 30s throughout the remainder of the day today. But as you can see, you get a general idea that we're pretty much going to be under rainfall throughout the remainder of the day today. And then as you move into the later portions of this afternoon or evening, right now this is 4 p.m. in the afternoon. And we'll see more of a scattered nature. I think this is breaking up a little bit earlier in my forecast. I have it starting after 5 p.m., but you get the gist of it, that you'll start to see some more scattered in nature rainfall, and then we'll start to fill back in as we head into the later portions of this evening and overnight hours. Moving ahead to Friday, this is the European model for tomorrow morning. This was initialized at the 0Z run from last evening, or 7 p.m. last evening. This is looking at 11 a.m. Tomorrow morning. As you can see, another area of low pressure will be moving offshore, providing us with chances for some light scattered rainfall. Won't be quite as breezy as what we'll be experiencing today, but still going to be expecting some light scattered rainfall throughout the day tomorrow. And then yesterday, if you remember, we did see the models trying to put out some wintry precipitation, mainly in some snow showers. They're not as bullish today, but with the cold front passing through and the temperatures dropping sharply behind that cold front, I can't rule out the possibility that as this system winds down, that we do see a quick burst of some light snowfall across the area. no snow accumulation is expected, but you can't rule that out that we do see some light scattered snow showers during the later portions of tomorrow evening. And if we want to just take a quick look into Saturday, we'll have breezy conditions developing across the area Saturday morning as the low pressure departs and high pressure builds into the area. Partly cloudy skies setting up a fairly nice setup for our first attempt at NG15. Winds will be up a little bit though. We could be expecting wind advisory criteria by the middle portions of the morning and as we get closer to T-0, which is at 12:36 on Saturday afternoon. So going back to the forecast, we can over the next 24 hours, we will have likely scenario of rainfall pretty much over the next 24 hours. Winds are up right now. We had gusts up above 26 knots, and we are expecting that to continue throughout this morning. They should start to tail off after the noontime hour, although still remaining fairly high. But again, tailing off as we go throughout the afternoon. Temperatures are pretty much going to remain stagnant in the mid to upper 30s today. We'll top out at around 39 degrees, and that'll be later this afternoon to the early evening time frame. And then temperatures really won't drop that much during the overnight hours thanks to the rainfall and the northeasterly winds. Although they will be down, they'll still be remaining up around 8 to 13 gusts into 15 knots overnight tonight. And again, low temperature is expected to be around 37 degrees. Again, as far as the rainfall is considered, we're likely rainfall. We do have a chance of some heavy rainfall here in the next hour or so, and then heading into this afternoon, light rain showers throughout the day with some moderate rainfall, and then breaking up more to scattered nature after about 5 p.m. And then we'll start to see the rain fill back in, mainly after 10 p.m. this evening and heading into tomorrow morning. As we head into Friday, we'll have cloudy with rain showers throughout the day and then possibly ending as some light snow showers late. No accumulation. We'll have a high of 40 degrees and then a low of 27 degrees Friday night with breezy conditions developing. And then Saturday, partly cloudy and breezy with a high of 39 degrees. That'll conclude the daily operations weather briefing. And tune back in at 10 a.m. for your extended outlook. Have a great day.